see? A woolly sheep says ba to me. Ba 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 ba. The sheep says ba ha ha ta da.
On the farm, come sing along. Animal sounds make a happy song. Moo and baa and doodle doo.
I just made this fun and catchy kids music video you just watched using only free AI tools. The song itself, I created it in under 2 minutes with a tool called Suno AI, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same thing, even if you've never written music or edited a video before. Right now, animated kids music videos are exploding on YouTube. Why? Because kids absolutely love singing along, and parents love that these videos are both fun and educational. Plus, kids learn best when they repeat things. That means they'll re-watch your video again and again, and that's how your content racks up a ton of views. So today, I'm going to show you step by step how to make your own animated songs with free AI tools. Step 1. Create a song idea with ChatGPT. Before we create anything, we need a strong idea. Don't stress, you don't need to be a songwriter. Here's a shortcut. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Give me 10 ideas for creating fun and educational kids' nursery rhymes. In seconds, you'll get a list of creative suggestions. Pick the one you like most. For example, let's go with idea number 6, Farmyard Friends. That one's about animal sounds. Next, ask ChatGPT. Give me the kids' song lyrics for the idea Farmyard Friends. Boom, you'll have full lyrics written for you. Why is this such a smart choice? Because kids enjoy simple, playful songs. And since they're easy to sing along with, they're perfect for repeat views. Step 2. Create the music with Suno AI. Now let's bring our lyrics to life. This is where Suno AI comes in. It's fast, super easy to use, and honestly really fun. Suno AI is powerful because it can create music in almost any style. Want pop? Done. Hip-hop? Sure. Reggae, blues, K-pop, even heavy metal, it can do all of that. And the best part? The songs actually sound like they came from a real studio. Here's how it works. Open Suno AI. Paste your lyrics. Select a music style. Hit generate. In seconds, your song is ready. When you sign up, you can get 50 credits for free, so you've got tons of room to experiment.
On the farm, what do you hear? A cow is mooing loud and clear. Moo, 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 moo. The cow says moo, and so can you. On the farm comes...
Step 3. Create visuals with Leonardo AI. Now that we have a song, we need visuals to match. For this, we'll use Leonardo AI. It's amazing for creating colorful, kid-friendly images. Here's a trick I use. I ask ChatGPT to write my image prompts for me. For example, give me image prompts for every scene. Make them kid-friendly, bright, and fun. Add happy animals that match the lyrics. Also, create a consistent character prompt for Leonardo AI. Paste those prompts into Leonardo AI. Select Phoenix 1.0 as the model. Choose 3D render style for a lively animated look. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube. Click Generate, wait a few seconds, and boom, your image is ready. Step 4. Animate your pictures with Pixverse AI. Static images are nice, but animation makes them magical. For that, we'll use Pixverse AI. It turns still pictures into short, moving clips automatically. Here's how. Go to Pixverse and sign up. You get 90 free credits daily. Click Generate Video. Select Model Veyr 4.5, duration 5 seconds, ratio 16:9. Upload your image, add a short description, and click Create. In seconds, your image comes to life. Waving, jumping, smiling, these little movements are perfect for kids. Repeat this process for every scene until your full song is animated. Then download all the clips. Step 5. edit the final video with CapCut. Now let's put everything together. We'll use CapCut, a free beginner-friendly editor. Open CapCut, create a new project, and import your animated clips along with your Suno AI song. Drag your clips onto the timeline and sync them with the lyrics. Here's one of my favorite tricks, auto captions. This lets kids sing along with words on screen. Select your video. Click Text, Auto Captions, Convert from Audio. And just like that, your lyrics appear automatically. You can also add transitions, stickers, and playful effects. Once you're happy, click Export. Choose 4K quality for the best results. And you're done. That's it. You've just created your very own animated kids music video using nothing but free AI tools.
On the farm, what do you hear? A cow is mooing loud and clear. Moo, 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 moo. The cow says moo, and so can you. On the farm, come sing along. Animal sounds make a happy song. Moo and baa and doodle doo. Quack, 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 we sing with you.
On the farm, what do you see? A woolly sheep says baa to me. Ba 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 ba. The sheep says ba ha ha ta da.
On the farm, come sing along. Animal sounds make a happy song. Moo and baa and doodle doo. Quack, 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 we sing with you. On the farm when morning's new, the rooster shouts a big cock-a-doodle-doo.
Cock-a-doodle-doo, doodle-doo, doodle-doo. The rooster wakes the farm for you.
On the farm, come sing along. Animal sounds make a happy song. Moo and baa and doodle-doo. Quack, 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 we sing with you.
Now you can upload it to YouTube, share it with friends and family, or even start a full kids educational channel. The best part? You don't need expensive software, animation skills, or even music experience. AI does the heavy lifting. You just bring your ideas and creativity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future guides on making viral AI content.